guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by once again. If you are new, you are most welcome. You're on the right channel. Don't go back, don't go, stay. Thank you. And thank you for my old subscriber that's always coming back to watch my video. I really appreciate it, guys. Okay, in this tutorial we are going to be using our previous class, this pattern, to form this lovely design. So we are not doing any magic. It's not that maybe I change any pattern. We are still using the same design we used here, but we are using it to form like a leafy pattern, like this, the way you are seeing it on your screen now. So if you want to know how I'm going to make this, make sure you watch the end of the class. Watch and watch and watch. Don't leave the don't go watch. Thank you for staying. Watch, and please like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and share my video to someone that might need this, that want to learn. Share my video to them. Thank you. God bless you. I love you. Okay guys, welcome back again. So like I said earlier, we are going to design this pattern I draft out with this our slant beading design. So we are not going to perform any magic here. We are going to do the same process we did in this our previous class. This one we're going to repeat the same process here, but we want you to design something, not just in a straight line. Okay, let's get started. So insert my needle, bring it out. I'm picking 4 also. Here is it. I picked 4. So I measure it this way, the same way we did in our previous class. Insert your needle, bring it out. Insert this way, and leave a small space and bring it out. Pick another 4 again. The needle is very long, so you pick another 4 again. So you pull it down this way, you measure it like this. You can just bring it out your thread. Have you seen it? Either you go down, bring it out, or you bring it out this way, depend on you. But if you are bringing it out this way, make sure if you are bringing it out like going down, going up, make sure there's no lining in your fabric, in your dress you are beading. If there's lining in the dress you are beading, you have to be very careful while doing this, so that you not pick the lining with the dress when beading it. So the easiest way to do when there's lining is to do it this way I'm doing it now. After you measure it, put your needle like this and you bring it out like this, instead of going down and coming outside again, coming up, going down and coming up. My thread is long. Okay, perfect. So I'm picking another 4 again. Just remember to always measure it there. Okay, so we come outside this way. I'll pick another 4 again. You can actually measure in 2. Either you measure this way like this, or you pull it down and measure. So it's the same thing. So I pick another 4 again, because I see what I'm doing. Always measure. So you insert your needle and bring it outside the top. Okay, another 4 again. Measure it where the bead stop. Insert the needle by the side of the previous bead and bring it out at the upper part. So another 1 again. Always measure After you measure the bead you pick, you insert your needle and bring it out this way. So do same thing here. You measure it, insert your needle and bring it out at the upper part of the previous thread. So do the same thing again. Insert the needle and bring it out this way. Measure it where it stops inside the needle, bring it out this way. Measure it where it stops inside the needle and bring it out like this. If you want the leaf shape to come outside, you do it this way. Bring your needle out here. If you want it to be curved, you come this way. Just be watching. That's what I'm doing. See, if you measure this way, like this, you guys seen it? So I need to pick one more so that it can cover the space in between. So now I have 5 beads with me. You see, it's covered. So I'm bringing out my thread here. Yeah. Don't worry. You see it? Okay. So we are picking. We are going back to our normal 4 we have been picking before. You still measure again from here. So you bring it out at the upper part this way. So later I have to stitch this one to make it go down. The way it's pulling up, it's not nice at all. So I have to come back and stitch it like this, so it's going to lay down flat. So pick another 4. You measure it where it stops, insert your needle and bring it out at the upper part this way. So you measure again. As you can see, we are still doing the same thing. If you watch my previous class when I do this, you know that it's the same thing I'm still doing here, just that we are using this one to create a pattern. We are not doing it in straight. That's only the difference, but it's still the same method, the same process, and the same bead we are picking. Sorry, I don't measure it, but guys, please don't just be like me. Make sure you measure so you know what you're doing is accurate, and they are not giving you one signy, they're not sitting properly, and it won't be fine. It won't make your work neat. Your work must be neat and beautiful. So now remaining this space here, so we are coming out here. Yeah, we are good to go. You see? Now it depends on you. You can decide to leave it this way if you want. Okay, I want this kind of unique. You can leave it this way, it's beautiful, right? You can decide to fill it up. If you fill it up, it's more beautiful. So guys, let's fill it up. We're going to fill all the inside up. So bring out your needle here again, this way. So same process, same thing, same step, everything same. Just repeat the same thing you have been doing. Don't be like me, measure your own. Okay, always measure what you are doing though. Guys, please always do that. So if you are used to it, so you can just leave it without measuring it. As you can see, I'm not measuring my own and they are still accurate, but don't be like me. Don't just do like me. Make sure you measure your own. So once you practice and you can use your eyes to know guys, please kindly comment to my channel. Drop a very beautiful comment, nice comment. I'm trying, right? I'm trying, right? Just comment, please, so I can do more videos for you guys. So my needle is very short now. I have to fix another needle. So we are still going to come back like this to start another line inside. And still doing the same thing. Okay guys, I have to fix another thread. I'm going to go off the camera now and I'll fix another thread and I'm going to complete and show you guys the finish of the work. Okay, yeah guys, I'm back and I'm done. See how beautiful it is. Let me bring my camera closer for you guys to see it. Look at how beautiful it is. See, we did a lovely job. So thank you guys for watching this. I really appreciate. Please subscribe, like, comment, share. Thank you guys. God bless you. See you in my next class. Bye bye. I love you all. Bye. God bless you.